Thinking of mining Bitcoin from home? Let's break down what you need and whether it's worth it. First up, you'll need powerful hardware. We're talking about a high-end computer, or better yet, an ASIC, application-specific integrated circuit. These are specialized devices made specifically for mining Bitcoin. Next, pick your mining software. Popular choices include CG Miner or BFG Miner. Once you have your software, join a mining pool. Mining pools are groups of miners working together to solve complex math problems and share rewards. This increases your chances of earning Bitcoin. Stable internet connection? Check. High power supply? Double check. Mining is energy intensive, so make sure your setup can handle the load. Now, once you're set up, your system will get to work solving those complex math problems. This process verifies Bitcoin transactions, and in return, you earn Bitcoin. Sounds great, right? But here's the catch. Home mining can be costly. The electricity consumption is significant, and with increased competition and rising mining difficulty, profitability has taken a hit. So, is it worth it? If you have access to cheap electricity and the right hardware, it might be. But for many, the costs can outweigh the benefits. In the end, do your research and run the numbers before diving in. Happy mining!